What if I told you that your entire life could change in the next 12 months with just 3 habits? It's not about talent. It's not about luck. It's about habits. The first habit is extreme ownership. There was a time when I blamed everything: the economy, my boss, my schedule. I said I didn't have enough time, not enough money, not enough opportunity. Then one day I realized something simple: if it's everyone else's fault, I have no control. The moment you say, "This is on me," you take your power back. Winners don't make excuses, they make adjustments. The second habit is daily skill growth. In America, competition is everywhere. Average doesn't pay anymore. Give one focused hour a day to improving your skill: reading, practicing, building, creating. 1 hour a day is 365 hours a year. That's the difference between staying stuck and becoming valuable. Because the market doesn't pay for effort, it pays for value. The third habit, and the hardest one, is delayed gratification. Less scrolling, less comfort, more discipline. While others choose entertainment, you choose improvement. Success isn't loud, it's built in silence. Here's the truth: your life won't change overnight, but one decision can. Decide today. No more excuses, no more waiting, because the future belongs